Water has returned to Ahuriri Lagoon, where the Whakaora Te Ahuriri project is creating a constructed wetland. A diversion on the Huratini River takes water through a culvert and into the old channel of the river. On the right is the Little River Rail Trail, where walkers, cyclists and joggers can enjoy following the flow of water to the wetland. Until recently, this old channel had been choked with weeds and willows. But with the channel cleaned out, willows removed and water flowing again, this original feature of the landscape has been brought back to life. The channel also plays an important role for the constructed wetland, as it carries the river water into the main body of the wetland, where once planted with 80,000 aquatic plants in the spring, the water will be naturally filtered to improve its quality. The fringes of the wetland will be planted with 48,000 terrestrial plants to increase the biodiversity of the area. And at the end of the wetland is a deeper pool and island, where the now clean water flows through a mahinga site before rejoining the Huratini River via a final culvert.